Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we will have a sneak peek of my short trip to Bali. So here, actually this is the Bali airport. So ito yung una nyo makikita kapag nagland kayo sa Bali. Ito yung actually what amazes me here is that na-combine ng Balinese, na-combine ng mga tao dito, or the one that designed the airport, yung combination of nature in modern structures. So I'm amazed and I'm happy to be here. And so this is the airport and more site of their airport. Ito po ay airport pa rin ng Bali. Yan. So ang daming tourist kasi as we all know, Bali is known for tourist attractions. Yan. So lakad muna tayo. Alam nyo, habang naglalakad ako, parang bigla tuloy akong nainggit. I just hope, in a good way, and hopeful. I hope someday, Philippines will be like this. Diba? Merong magandang airport, So, I know, hindi naman tayo malayo sa ganon, but I just can't help but think about it. So this is the hotel. Meron siyang pool, meron siyang bar, and this is where we have our meal. So breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Yan. Diba? Napaka niya. Talagang Bali style. Yan. Ayan, tapos naglakad-lakad na kami sa dagat kasi ito talaga yung purpose ng pagpunta namin, para makita yung yung dagat. 'Di ba? Very instagrammable yung yung pictures. Pero believe me guys, mas maganda yung dagat sa Boracay or Palawan. But sa picture talagang siya, maganda, very blue. Tapos, ang calm kapag maglalakad ka dito sa Bali, sa tabi ng dagat. Tapos, maraming restaurant sa gilid. Ayan, pwede kang pumili kung saan mo gustong kumain. Tapos, mostly ng mga foreigners dito, hindi ko rin alam eh. I actually asked one of the staff in hotel, what are the most visitors during this period. Actually, mostly, sabi nila, is European. Gustong-gusto ng mga European yung ambience dito sa Bali kasi very laid back, tapos for family talaga siya. At saka well, compared to other tourist destination, Bali is cheaper relatively. So yun yung mga recent information na nakuha namin dito sa Bali. And very very obvious kapag naglakad ka like this, naglalakad ka during the day, makikita mo mga talaga European people. Mangilan-ngilan lang yung Asian, mangilan lang yung from US, yung mga ganyan. Yeah, so maganda naman, very very kumbaga, I should say touristy. Pang tourist talaga siya. Ayan. And then, here is the short view of what it looks like kapag gabi. Meron silang mga presentation ng, I think this is a legendary or folk story of people in Bali. Yan. Ayan. So, yun lang muna for now, and we'll show more of the trip soon sa next video. Hope you guys subscribe and like this video. See you. Thank you.